Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday, and we have a 3-layer cake. First layer is our routines. We have 5 of them. First routine is our morning routine. Second part of that is the children's morning routine. Second routine is laundry. Third routine is paper, if you're an at-home fly baby. If you're at work, these two, laundry and paper, happen when you come home, okay? So when you come home, you're going to do laundry. While the laundry's in, you're going to do the paper, and then after dinner routine and before bed routine, as well as the at-home fly babies, after dinner routine, before bed routine. That's layer 1. Layer 2 is your zone. Today is the first of the month, so it is zone 1, the entryway. If you had trick-or-treaters, what a great way to go and make sure there are no candy wrappers outside, the pumpkin gets tossed, the jack-o'-lantern, whatever, those little decorations get cleaned up, and we're on with the month of November. If you don't have that to do, then just sweep the porch. Do something. And then on Friday, one more thing in zone 1. I always suggest wiping your door down. If you've done that recently, maybe take the broom and make sure there's no cobwebs or anything like that up high. Make sure the doorbell looks presentable. So there's always something to do. Dump the frozen plant or the dead plant. Maybe get a new plant. Maybe change the wreath on the door. But don't spend but about 10 minutes, okay? All right, that's it for the zone. Now, the next thing is the basic weekly plan on Thursday. This is our errand day. So yesterday you made your plan for your groceries. You paid your bills, you checked in the fridge, freezer, and pantry to make sure that you have food to pull into your meal plan, and then your grocery list is what you're missing to make that meal plan. So check your budget, make sure you're under budget, and enjoy your shopping, or pick your groceries up if you ordered them yesterday or have them delivered. Either of those things will work, and that's it. Now, don't forget, always remember to do your 3 clutter checks a day, in the morning, in the afternoon, and the evening. Any areas that you have recently decluttered, you're going to make sure that you or your family have not left mindless clutter there. We're not fussing at each other. We're just recognizing what we do when we don't pay attention, okay? All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.